Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, we have abilities everyone can do if he wants. Today I am starting about the training for Android. How we can develop Android apps and how we can install Android Studio and many more. Here you can learn about Android apps development. Now, requirements for Android Studio installation tool. First tool for Android Studio installation is Android Studio. Second, SDK tool. Third, Java JDK 5 or later version. There are many versions of JDK tools, but here we can use any tool JDK 5 or later version, for example JDK 8 and many more. And fourth tool is Java Runtime Environment JRE6. System requirements are very important, so there are some requirements. As you can see, Core 2 processor 2.0 minimum and 2 GB RAM, 4 GB maximum, 9 GB free memory space, Microsoft Windows 8, 7 Vista and any Windows you can use, and Macintosh operating systems are 10.8.5 or higher or up to 10.9, and Genome or KDE desktop you can use as you wish. Now here I am using Windows. How we can install, I will describe about this installation by step. Let's start Android Studio installation. Installation guide. Friends, you must know about the Android Studio. Android Studio is the official ID for Android application development. It works based on IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is basically a tool in which we use Java language. Here I gave a link for downloading Android Studio from its official website, which you can see as below. Step 1. Install Java JDK or later version. Now download SDK tool. So let's launch Android Studio.exe. Make sure before launch Android Studio our machine should require install Java JDK. When you launch setup, you can see screen like that. Here you need to click on next button. Now once you launched Android Studio, it's time to mention JDK 5 path or later version in Android Studio installer. As you downloaded JDK 5 and installed, now here you can click on browse button and give your path of your JDK. Here is the example where I JDK installed. I opened the path and selected it. Now on the next step, you need to check the components which are required to create applications below the image has selected: Android Studio, Android SDK, Android Virtual Machine and Performance. You need to specify the location of local machines path for Android Studio and Android SDK below the image has taken. Default location Windows 8.1 64-bit architecture. Need to specify the RAM space for Android emulator. By default it would take 512 of local machine RAM. At final state, it would extract SDK packages into our local machine, it would take a while time to finish the task and would take 2626 MB of hard disk space minimum only this SDK tool. After done all above steps perfectly, you must get finish button and it gonna be open Android Studio project with welcome to Android Studio message as shown below. When you click on start Android Studio project, then you can start your application development by calling start new Android Studio project. In a new installation frame should ask application name, package information and location of the project. Now here you can write the name of your application. Then when you write the name of your application, then click next. By clicking on next button, after enter application name, it's going to be called select from form factor your application run on. Here need to specify minimum SDK in our story. I have declared as API 21 Android 5.0 Lollipop. Now you can see there which I mentioned back. The next level of installation should certain selecting the activity to mobile. It specifies the default layout for application. Here now in next step you can select the type of your activity. Here are some examples: blank activity with fragment, full screen activity, Google Maps activity, etc. By selecting blank activity, click on the next button. Then after a while you can see this screen. Here you can see that a screen shows layout which will be saved as APK file. Now friends, your installation is successful and completed. Now you can develop apps as your own wish. Thanks for watching our video.